You know that feeling when it's freezing outside, and all you want is something warm, comforting, and full of love. Well, this is that recipe, my ultimate winter chicken soup. A bowl so cozy, so hearty, that every single sip feels like a warm hug from the inside. And trust me, once you try it, you won't stop making it all season long. So let's get started. In your pressure cooker or instant pot, drizzle a little oil and add 1 big sliced onion. Sauté it gently until it turns soft and translucent. That's when the kitchen starts smelling beautiful. Now add 500 grams of chicken. You can use boneless or with bone, totally your choice. Drop in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir and let it fry for a few minutes until the chicken starts to catch that golden edge. Now, we build our aromatic heaven. Take your little tea infuser, yes, the one we usually use for tea, and fill it with whole spices. A 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, a small piece of dried ginger, half a teaspoon each of fennel seeds and black peppercorns, six green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 1½ teaspoons of cumin seeds, and 1½ teaspoons of coriander seeds. Close it up, and this little ball will soon work its magic. Back to the pot, pour in about 3 liters of water. If you like a thinner soup, you can add a bit more. Drop in 2 dried lemons, and if you don't have those, half a fresh lemon works too. Now add the spice infuser, 2 chicken cubes, and half a cup of washed barley, no soaking needed. Mix everything well, close the lid, and pressure cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once done, the aroma that greets you when you open that lid, it's pure comfort. Separate the chicken from the broth. Now to the broth, add 2 cups of instant oats, two tablespoons of tomato paste or 1 cup of fresh tomato puree, and a little extra water if it's too thick. Meanwhile, shred the chicken, discard the bones, and add the chicken back into the soup. Taste and adjust your seasoning. I'm adding a little more salt, some extra black pepper, 3 to 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of hot chili sauce for that perfect kick. Let it simmer slowly for another 20 minutes. The longer it cooks, the thicker, creamier, and more flavorful it becomes. Now this, right here, is your bowl of winter warmth. Serve it hot, drizzle with chili oil or your favorite chili sauce. Sprinkle some freshly crushed black pepper and dive in. Every spoonful feels like comfort, care, and nostalgia, the kind of soup that makes you forget the world for a while. This is the staple soup of my home every winter. Everyone loves it, even the kids. It's wholesome, nourishing, and tastes like love. Make it today and tell me how it turned out, because I know this one's going to stay in your heart forever. Until next time, take care, stay warm, and happy cooking.